Stop paying agents thousands of dollars and stop stressing over the LS. In 2026, New Zealand has made it easier than ever to secure a 5-year work visa entirely on your own. The best part, if you're in a high-demand industry, you can skip the English exam entirely. Today I'm breaking down the Accredited Employer Work Visa AEWV update, the specific loopholes, and a step-by-step guide to applying from your laptop. If you want to move your life to New Zealand this year, don't skip a second because one missing document could cost you the whole application. The backbone of New Zealand immigration right now is the Accredited Employer Work Visa. As of 2026, this visa allows you to stay and work for up to 5 years. Here's the secret. You don't apply to the government first. You find an accredited employer. There are now over 27,000 certified companies in New Zealand authorized to hire you. Why 5 years? Previously, many visas were capped at 3 years. The 2026 update provides more stability, especially for those INSO level 1 to 3 roles. Even better, Immigration New Zealand has slashed processing times. Most of these are being approved in just 12 working days. The no secret, how do you skip the LS? Under the current 2026 rules, you have 3 major ways to bypass the exam. 1. The ANZO skill level rule. If your job offer is classified as skill level 1, 2, or 3, there is currently no mandatory English language test required by Immigration New Zealand. This covers most professional, technical, and trade roles. 2. The English-speaking background. If you've worked or studied in a country like the UK, USA, or Ireland for 5 years, you're exempt. 3. The employer discretion. For many roles, as long as your employer confirms you can safely perform the job, the visa officer may waive the formal test requirement. Note, if you are in a level 4 or 5 role like basic labor, you only need a 4.0 IELTS, which is extremely easy to hit. But for most viewers of this channel, you can bypass it entirely. Agents charge $3,000 to $5,000 for something you can do in 30 minutes. Here is the no agent workflow. Step 1, check the accredited employer list. Go to the Immigration New Zealand website. If the company isn't on this list, they can't sponsor you. Step 2, the job check. Your employer must prove they couldn't find a New Zealander for the role. This is now automated and faster in 2026. Step 3, the invite. Once the job check is done, the employer sends you a unique link. This link is your golden ticket. Step 4, RealMe account. Create a RealMe account on the official NZ government site. Upload your passport, your job offer, and your medicals. Step 5, pay the fee. Pay the application fee directly. No middleman. Wait, before you apply, there are 2 new things for 2026 you must know. First, the median wage requirement has been updated. As of now, you generally need to be earning at least $33.56 NZD per hour to qualify for the full 5-year duration. Second, the skilled migrant category rules are changing in August 2026. If you get your work